Welcome to the Golf Spotlight. I'm Ralph Irvin, and we're talking the launch monitors as well as the ultimate simulators. If we're doing that, we're going to talk about golf. We've talked to them before, but there's new technology involved here, and we're joined by Randall Henry. Randall, thanks for joining me again.
Hey, thanks for having me.
About Golf, we've known about as being a premium golf simulator, but now you have an ability to really help people improve their golf games using the best technology.
Oh yeah, we're very excited about our new 3-track mobile and cube. It's the same technology that we have within our simulators. We're bringing it outdoors and to everybody so that they can use that to teach, fit, and help improve golf.
And an About Golf simulator once, was like the ultimate play toy for a golfer at home, but it may be beyond the limits of, say, teaching pros of what they want to install at their facility. Now with the 3-track monitor, anybody can really give out the best information and feedback to someone on the golf course.
Yeah, that's really what we were trying to do, is make it so more people would have the use of this technology. We want them to have their hands on it so we can show everybody how great it really is. And the real difference with our mobile and our cube versus other launch monitors thing that are out there is our 3D capture system, which enables us to get accurate spin. We're able to get rifle spin, which we're the first person in the industry that has rifle spin, which enables us to get things down to the right measurements exactly. And it's huge, and we're so excited to be able to offer it.
And the key to being able to fix a slice or a hook is really knowing what you're doing with the club, and the only way you're going to know that is how is the ball reacting after contact.
Exactly, and it's a way for teachers to be able to validate what they're teaching their students. It's right here for you. You can see it. It displays up on our screen, and we can say this is exactly what we're saying is what you're getting. So you can see real improvement. You can track real improvement. You can see one shot versus another, compare. It's a great tool for teachers, and it's a great tool for people who just want to improve their golf game themselves. It's affordable. It's something you can put in their basement, and you can teach yourself at the same time. And
again, you don't need to have a full simulator, just a hitting net, really.
A hitting net works perfectly. You can take it outdoors, too. You can put it on your range. You can carry it around with you. It's portable, so you can take it anywhere you go. It goes with you.
Now, if people want more information on the 3-track launch monitor, or even better about the About Golf simulators, where can they get that online?
They can go to our website at www.aboutgolf.com, or they can call 1-800-445-GOLF.
Right. Randall, thanks for taking the time to join us.
Hey, thanks for having me.
I want to thank Randall Henry for joining us here on the Golf Spotlight. Join us next time as we continue to bring you the information that you need for your next golf purchase.